Hello! In this video, you will see Penny and Sage, our newest set of foster kittens, but you will see Sage starting to get curious about play, finally. And I say that because for us, we've had them for almost 2 weeks, and this is the first time she started doing anything. So, it has taken quite a bit of work, but it's well worth it to see her start to play. And she is very uncoordinated with it, which just makes it more cute and funny as we watch her learn and hopefully soon get some coordination. So I hope you enjoy this video.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.